Hey travel enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, you're always dreaming of your next adventure. Well, 2024 is just around the corner, and today we're diving into the ultimate bucket list for travel addicts. Whether you crave stunning landscapes, rich culture, or thrilling experiences, we've got you covered. So grab your notebooks, because you'll want to jot down these must-visit destinations that will make 2024 your most exciting year yet. Kicking off our bucket list at number 10 is Japan. With its blend of ancient traditions and cutting-edge technology, Japan is a feast for the senses. Explore the bustling streets of Tokyo, unwind in the serene temples of Kyoto, and don't forget to witness the breathtaking cherry blossoms in full bloom. At number 9, we have Iceland, an outdoor lover's paradise. From stunning waterfalls and geysers to the mesmerizing northern lights, this country offers unparalleled natural beauty. Hike the trails of Landmannalaugar or relax in the Blue Lagoon for the ultimate experience. Coming in at number 8 is Peru. This diverse country is home to the iconic Machu Picchu, the breathtaking Sacred Valley, and the lush Amazon rainforest. Whether you're trekking the Inca Trail or exploring vibrant local markets, Peru promises an unforgettable adventure. Number 7 is South Africa, where adventure meets culture. Go on a safari in Kruger National Park, explore the stunning garden route, and don't miss the vibrant city of Cape Town with its iconic Table Mountain and rich history. At number 6, we have New Zealand, known for its jaw-dropping landscapes and adventure activities. From the stunning fjords of Milford Sound to the adrenaline-pumping bungee jumps in Queenstown, this country is a dream for thrill seekers and nature lovers alike. Number 5 is Italy. With its rich history, exquisite cuisine, and stunning art, Italy is a must-visit. Explore the ruins of Rome, take a gondola ride in Venice, and soak in the breathtaking views along the Amalfi Coast. Every corner of Italy tells a story. At number 4, we have Thailand. This Southeast Asian gem offers beautiful beaches, vibrant cities, and delicious street food. Discover the temples of Bangkok, relax on the islands of Phuket and Koh Phi Phi, and experience the warmth of Thai hospitality. Taking the number 3 spot is Australia. With its diverse landscapes from the Great Barrier Reef to the outback, Australia is a playground for adventurers. Explore the iconic Sydney Opera House, go snorkeling in the reef, and discover the unique wildlife. At number 2 is Greece, a paradise of stunning islands and rich history. Visit the ancient ruins of Athens, relax on the beaches of Santorini, and enjoy the delicious Greek cuisine. With its vibrant culture and breathtaking scenery, Greece is a travel addict's dream. And finally, our number 1 destination for 2024 is Costa Rica. Known for its incredible biodiversity and commitment to ecotourism, Costa Rica offers lush rainforests, stunning beaches, and thrilling activities like ziplining and surfing. Whether you're hiking through national parks or spotting wildlife, this country is a nature lover's paradise. There you have it, the ultimate bucket list for travel addicts in 2024. From the bustling streets of Japan to the lush jungles of Costa Rica, each of these destinations offers unique experiences that will create memories to last a lifetime. As you plan your travels, remember to immerse yourself in the local culture, try new foods, and embrace the adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel inspiration, and share your own travel bucket list in the comments below. Where are you dreaming of going in 2024? Until next time, happy travels!